Welcome to Financial Hub. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to log into Deutsche Bank online banking account. Deutsche Bank is a leading provider of financial services to agencies, corporations, governments, private individuals, and institutions in the Americas. Now, to log into your account, firstly, make sure you open one preferred web browser. Here I am opening Google Chrome. Now at the search bar, you can simply search www.deutsche-bank.de and press enter. Now you will be led to this kind of interface. There you can see the option of online banking. You need to simply click over there. Now again you will be led to this kind of interface where you need to enter some of the informations like your branch, account, sub-account, PIN number, and many more. After you are done filling this information, here you can see the option of financial status. Click over there and here you can see various options. You need to choose according to your preference. Here I am going for financial status. After that, you need to simply check this box, Session 10 for brokerage. Now remember one thing, that Deutsche Bank never asks for more than 110 per transaction. Now after you are done filling your information, you can simply click on this option, Execute Login, and you will be directly logged in to your Deutsche Bank account. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Financial Hub. Thank you.